Hi friends, Leah here. Let me go over my trading July, and I do this every month. I want to tell you exactly how much money I make, how I make it, what I trade, and what mistakes I make, what I did right. So let's get to it. And yeah, you can see my little vacation here because I'm in a vacation mode. It's summer, it's Miami. I'm leaving tomorrow to a long trip to Europe. I'll be going to 14 countries, so I'm really excited. But let's look at the trade stats first. So my trade expectancy is low because in this stats you can see my option trades as well, which usually you get $200-300 or maybe even less for premiums that I sell. I usually sell premiums and they add up, but it's lowering the average of the trade. With equities, my trades are much bigger. So I have 75% win ratio, which is great. And it's 2-hour trades mostly. So average win-loss trade, you see it's literally 2-to-1, which is great. I had 5 losing days in July. And as you can see here, I was traveling. I was in New York and then I flew to Italy and I was on a car rally for the whole time, so I did not do a good job trading. There was one day when I did really well, the rest was shit. So actually, yeah, 6 losing trades. This one is just a mistake. You can see sometimes I go long and I'm like, no, that was the wrong one. So let's look into some trades here. This was a nice trade. So here I went long. I closed this one. I went long I went long Rivian. Boom, that was a nice day. Here again, I made a lot of money on Iona Q. I like to trade this stock. I usually trade on a 5-minute chart. I don't day trade on 1-minute chart. I went long here and I got out here. It's a nice trade. I enjoyed it. It's a favorite stock of mine. Here, I sucked on Tesla. Okay, I traded Tesla. I realized I'm wrong. I hope that this will be a breakout on a 5-minute chart again. And it wasn't what I expected. I got literally trapped because we had 1, 2. So I said, okay, 3. Let me get about this guy and I will go long. Didn't happen, got trapped. Worst case, what I did after, I was so upset. I was in Venice. I wanted to have a good time, but I decided to trade it again. Why not, right? So I traded 1 here, 943, and then a little bit after I traded it again. So I lost money on both of those trades, which was total sucky. Here, 1, I got stopped out. 1, I got stopped out. So it was more a revenge trading, quite frankly. Terrible. I could have rather buy myself Yves Saint Laurent clutch. That would be probably the same money. I don't know. I was trading on my phone, which is another fail. Just really taking trades because I felt like I haven't taken a trade in a while. Let me do it. Let me lose money. It's the worst day for me. But the good part is these are different. And Oracle, I got stopped out from my swing. It's good that it's not one trade that I lost so much because I don't like doing it. I like to have smaller losses. And when I know I'm wrong on a trade, this one Redfin was the worst. It was an ugly fail. I don't want to be losing too much. So when I'm wrong on a trade, I get out immediately. I don't want to be sitting in the trade, looking at my money evaporating. So, sure, I want to be losing max 1,000 or 1,500 on a swing trade, 1,000 on a day trade. But hey, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I will get out. So that's very important. Here I was just doing like little swing trades on my travels. This was a nice day. Microsoft, boom. Microsoft did really well. I took partials. I like to take partial on my trades sometimes when it's a good momentum. I like to take Zoom. I did really well here. That was on July 17th. And then I think one of those days, I'm not sure where was it. That was Oracle. Let me see. I will find you. No, that was Redfin. Where was the losing trade? I lost on Zoom then at some point. I'm not sure what day was it. Here, Caravana was great. Google, Caravana. I think this was also a swing trade or a day trade. Let's see. I do a lot of swing trades. So that's very, very favorable for me. I don't like day trading so much. I do mostly swing trading. Caravana did really well for me this month, and last month I made like 6K on Caravana. So yeah, Caravana is a fun one to trade, and I can find load the chart for some reason. So in any case, guys, keep your losses small. let your runners run. When you see there is a momentum, there is no reason to be taking your profits too early. You want to be holding them for longer. You want to be cutting your losses too quick. And yeah, Monday was the best, but then this month is being wacky. I got stopped out last week and this week from a bunch of trades. So I think I probably am down on a month so far, and it's okay. I don't really trade much. It's August, it's low volume, the moves are kind of choppy, violent. The market is very emotional right now. I don't like to trade it. So currently I have like 1 or 2 swings open, that's it. I have the FTNT, which I just opened recently. That one is great, one is doing well. I have options and shares. I got it in here on Friday last week. It's been doing well. Let's see. And I'm looking at Oracle, which I'm not that happy about this. It's been coiling there forever. I traded it a bunch last month. And I've been looking at this. It's just filling the gap here. Quite frankly, $2 more I'm getting out with the loss. But maybe we'll see. QQQ, just to see, is sitting on a 50 moving average. Exponential moving average is sitting there. We will need some sort of a bounce. It's also on a huge supply demand zone here. If it doesn't happen, then I think we can go much lower. So hope this was helpful, guys. Ask me if you have any questions. Follow Leah the Trader. This is my month. July was nice. I make anywhere between 10 and 15K every month. Sometimes when it's a worse month, I make 5 to 8, just when I trade a little less. And if I have great money, I can make 30, 20. Depends. In trading, you never know. It's all about focus, clearly. I traveled half of the month. So that's why it's this income. I'm very thankful for that anyways. And I hope this was helpful, guys. Follow me on YouTube or Instagram and sign up for my newsletter. It's right up in the here in YouTube, and it's a link on my Instagram as well, because I will invite you to my free webinars that I organize almost every month, and I will send you very good quality writing every week, once or twice, about trading psychology and how I trade and lifestyle of a trader. I think you might find it valuable. It's free. And thanks for being here. Click the smash the like button, and hope to see you soon.